And to return an item, to mail an item as well. That's the shipping label. $1. Can I Apple Pay? Okay.
Come on. No.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vloggy vlog. I'm Jade. So today is a productive day. Started out pretty early. Started out like 7:30, between 7:30 and 8. Did grocery shopping, went to the post office, picked up a powder for August that needed to, what's the word? I'm tired. He did a new powder, and we did laundry as well. I'm not finished with laundry, clothes are drying, but what I usually do is wash. When I have August, wash and then dry. And when it's in process of drying, I come back home because like an hour and a half. I'm not staying cross for an extra hour and a half with August, and I'm going to put in a nap. Is right on time. And then by the time he's down, Daddy Shafi, so I'm not leaving him home alone. I'm going to pick up the vlogging. A lot of work, you know, like I'm gonna pick up the rest stuff. But yeah, I'm happy that I got all of those stuff done today. Cause usually once I do shopping, I tell you I don't want to do anything else for the rest of the day. But at the laundry, it was not full in the beginning. By the time I was ready to dry more, people started to come in, which is usual, which I don't mind because it's drying, so I don't usually stay when it's drying either. But there was a couple ladies in there when I had my camera. I mean, I was gonna get content today. I was like, I'm not going to waste today, I need a vlog up this week. But there was period and I was watching like, what is this girl doing? I was like, yo, Jay, just ignore, just do it, get your content, you know. But yeah, it's 12:45. It usually goes on between 1 and 1:30, maybe 2 sometimes. So I'm gonna put him down. Actually no, I'm gonna give him something to eat, and then Gonna put him down. I have, where's my phone? Probably have like, ooh, probably have like 50 minutes more to dry by now. And then get something to eat. I'm gonna put him down, take a 5, and then I'm gonna pick up the rest stuff. I do need to clean my makeup brushes today. Yeah, I need to clean my makeup brushes today. We don't have anything planned for, so today is a productive day. I actually did everything already, but just that. So yeah, I don't want to talk too long because I could ramble, and I want this little boy to be down so I don't mess up his schedule, so he can go to sleep. He could wake up by 3:30 for the latest, and he'll be sleeping by 9, between 9 and 9:30. He need anyways, yeah, I just want to do a quick intro of this week. We have some stuff planned, so it's gonna be nice this weekend. I'm hoping, you know, New York weather. But anyway, yeah, bye. Alright, so these are all my makeup brushes. I actually have more, but this is what I use on a regular, well, when I do makeup, because I am no makeup artist. I still don't know how to do my brows, you know, nicely, but my simple little, just to look a little something something, these are all my brushes that I use. So let me just get started.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling and rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being every.
So I'm all done, all clean, very nice, you know, better than it was. Oh, what a productive day. I'm so proud of myself. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed now, and I'll see you guys, I don't know, tomorrow or the next day. Hey guys, today is Saturday. We're about to head out a little family outing. We are going to Billy B's for August. It's like an indoor fun bounce house with pit bar, slides and all of that is actually in the mall, so probably gonna grab something to eat there as well. Maybe do a little bit light shopping, we don't know, but yeah, let me just show you guys my outfit. Really cute. I swear I look like a mom today, but everything I'm wearing is actually from Shein. It's nice, cute baby tee. I think it was like $3. And I had this jacket, I bought this jacket last year, this black, this nice cargo pants, and earmuffs is at 97, and my coach and shade. Yo, everything is from Shein except my shoes and my bag, shades included, and well, not jewelry, but yeah, pretty simple, really nice. The weather is pretty nice. It's like, what do you say, 70 right now, and by tonight it's gonna drop to like 50, so that's why we're wearing a jacket. Yeah, you know when you abuse everybody and No, they're waiting on you because they're late. Yeah, that's me right now. So we are gonna see you guys there.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do that.
So we're back home. Say night night. Night night.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, he's counting 5, 6. Good job. Okay, so we're back home. It's pretty late. It's like 11, a little bit after. Oops. What am I saying? It's a little bit after 11. 9. Yeah, we stayed pretty long. The place closes at 10, and I was not checking the time because AJ was just having a grand time. He really enjoyed himself. Only after a little bit I was like, let me just check, and I said it was like a bit after 9. I was like, damn. But yeah, he really enjoyed himself, and it took us like 30 minutes, around the 35 minutes to reach home, and he slept the way. And as soon, like literally as soon as we opened our gate to go home, to come inside, he woke up. And either way, honestly, I was gonna wake him up either way because he needs to take a shower. I'm sorry, that's too much germs and sweat. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, don't need to explain myself. But that was like a power nap for him, and we gave him something to eat, and now it's the little bit after 11. So yeah, as soon as I turn off the lights, he's gonna be knocked out. But I didn't vlog on my camera today because it was like a kid's place, and I really don't want to make anyone feel uncomfortable. Like, even though my phone is like the same thing, like a camera, when people see a camera, it becomes a little bit intimidating. Like, people, like, it's just different every single time. It's just different, and I don't want to make anyone feel uncomfortable because it's kids. But if it was adults, I don't really care. But because it's kids, no. So yeah, I vlogged on my phone a little bit, and yeah, I wanted to do a little bit of shopping, but AJ was having, honestly, I just wanted like 2 things. So I only want to check out their hats. I need at least 2 more hats for him for some. I don't understand, sometimes my camera cuts out. I think it's a setting I need to change. But I was saying that I wanted to check Old Navy for some summer hats for August. But yeah, we stayed there until 9, and stop. The mall was closed by time you know, like realize or whatever. But that's fine. This week it's pretty warm outside, so I don't really have to, but I want to. We're gonna go somewhere. Actually, I don't even know. I'm the type of person I'll be feeling like, oh, next week we're going. When next week come, me? I said that? Not me. But yeah, I'm gonna put this little one to sleep because his routine is a little bit off. By tomorrow it's pretty easy. Just wait once we wake up early and he gets his nap the correct time, is just back to normal. Oh, I did mention in a couple of vlogs, like a while back, that I was trying to get AJ off my boob, and it's been maybe 2 months now that I officially stopped breastfeeding, and let me tell you, it has been a blessing. Like, whoo, oh my goodness, I feel so much better, like mentally and physically. Like breastfeeding, yes, it's the best milk, golden milk, blah blah blah, yes, but it is exhausting. It is not easy, especially in my case. He didn't want a bottle, like, no, up to this day, like, I have bottles there that I haven't used. I don't even know why I have them, because I don't think I have a baby right now, or maybe ever. I don't know, but like, I am so much happier. I am so much happier, like, with life. My mental state is so much better. It's a lot. And I remember when I was pregnant, I pre-pregnancy weight, mind you, I am like 5'1", so I'm very petite. Pre-pregnancy, I always weigh between 125 to 130, around there. And when I was pregnant, I went up to 160, mostly all water, what I call it, water weight, water, I don't know, but I didn't really blow out when I was pregnant. I just had nose and belly and hips, of course, and my hips actually stayed a bit. But as soon as Asia was born, by the time my 6 weeks checkup, I was already back to my pre-pregnancy weight, and I just went downhill from there. Honestly, I just went downhill. I know breastfeeding does that as well, but since Jade stop breastfeeding, my little body coming back. Yo, my skin is not breaking out as much. I don't know if it's what I'm using now, but I think breastfeeding and all of that played a role. My hair, even though it's cut short, it is much healthier. And I was talking to my friend Kezia, and she was like she was telling me, I posted some pictures on Instagram today, and she was like, oh, you look so nice now. Not like no, like she's saying I look bad, but she was like, you look so nice. And I really appreciate that, because like she even really like she, that's my girl. And she was like, you're catching back yourself. And I was like, right? And, like, I didn't even take that like offense or anything, because the truth, it's the plain truth, you know. And it's like it took me 2 years. Like, my son is almost 2. It took me 2 years to somewhat feel like Jade again. Like, before I was thinking, oh, I'm back. Girl, you wasn't back. You was not back. Like, no, I'm back. You know. And man, me get a next baby, I don't know. Let me just say, like, never, because a part of me, something I do want with like a next child, but a next part of me is like, me, you know, maybe the next time if it do happen, I'll do things a little bit differently, because you know, I've been through it. But no, I have my camera cut off. I don't understand. Anyway, sis outside, sis having a hot girl summer, sis doing things for me, sis is happy, you know. And I always used to tell myself, still do, that I need to be good mentally, because my son needs a happy mommy. Like, all the mommies out there, your babies need you. Take care of your mental health. Like, take care of your mental health. Like, you don't even have to be a parent. Like, take care of you, sis or bro. Take care of you, honestly, because nobody got you like how you got you. Honestly, nobody love you like how you love yourself. Love yourself first. Like, oh, I'm getting spiritual in here, but I know, like, all jokes aside, like, take care of yourself. Like, just not like physically, but mentally, emotionally. Just take care of yourself. Take care of your health. Like, people, like, for example, when persons talk about self-care, like, it's always, oh, do my lashes, do my nails, do my hair. Yes, that is a part of self-care, but this is also self-care. Your health is self-care. Your diet is self-care. Like, all of those stuff. Anyways, I think I'm gonna call it a night. Nothing. I am going to call it a night. I'll see you guys. Should I end the vlog here? I wonder if I have enough footage. I'm not even sure, but I'm gonna talk to you guys later. August, wanna say night night to the vloggy vlog? Wanna say night night? Night night. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put this one to sleep. I think I'm gonna watch Power. Oh, you know what? Let me. Good night, guys.